Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com. Up first, several persons remain hospitalized following a motor vehicle crash along Long Hill Road in St. James on Friday. The latest incident has led to renewed calls for the authorities to urgently address the roadway before more lives are lost. Our reporter Anthony Logg was on location.
First responders in action Friday evening at yet another crash site on Long Hill Road in St. James. The crash, which occurred sometime after 6 Friday evening, involved a trailer, a Honda CR-V and a coaster bus. When our news team arrived on location, the drivers of the trailer and the SUV were already rushed to hospital. However, the occupants of the bus were still on the scene, visibly shaken. The bus driver spoke with our news team.
The trailer was coming on the right-hand side of the road, and him like a Honda CR-V coming into me. They got extreme climbing the bank and the back of the truck. That's why hit the bus my side and send it back into the bank. The rest of history. Got the power side, I got saved.
As passengers waited to be transported to hospital, some complained about pain.
When I saw the truck coming and heading on to the bus, I just was saying, my God, what is this? And people were just screaming. And then when it hit the truck, it's like the truck was coming into the bus. But I said, it like everybody going to dead.
Earlier this month, one person died after a minibus plunged into a precipice along the same roadway. That incident led to calls for the government's intervention.
With yet another motor vehicle crash along the Long Hill Main Road here in St. James, motorists are calling for the authorities to again urgently address this roadway.
It's extremely dangerous and they need to fix it immediately. It is extremely, extremely dangerous. Because when you see the truck coming and the passengers in the bus seeing everything and saying reverse, you had nowhere to go and try and climb the tall bank.
Meanwhile, this appeal from the police.
It's very separate. We want to ensure that they understand that large units utilize this roadway and they'll be using a lot of brakes. So vehicles are prone to mechanical failure as well. So we want them to exercise extreme caution. It's a narrow roadway, so the least thing that happens causes a major pile-up. So we're just asking them to just proceed with caution as they traverse this roadway.
Friday's crash also led to a major traffic pileup. Some motorists were stuck in traffic for more than 2 hours. Anthony Logg, TVJ News.